I can't believe
I'm
Shelby
the only
didn't ask me to play
motherfucker that
Overwatch.
took tank.
I'm gonna
Element-
post another sad gif. Hang on.
There's a reason why she didn't ask you to play.
It.
I just want you to know that.
Oh god, I forgot that I fucking turned the sensitivity down for...
What the fuck? He gave me so
Casting.
much shit about Jetpack Hack, and here you are.
I wanted to play it.
Okay.
Great. What happened to fucking the cat? Okay.
No, that's Element. Shark, hop in.
I
We're gonna
sent
do
you
some...
another sad gif,
No,
Shelby.
Shelby, get off of me. Bad. Shark, get over here and get in me.
No. I don't know how.
No, Shark, trust me, you want to. We're gonna do some aerial shit.
Dude, I don't know. I'm not that good.
No, you're gonna do great, alright?
You're gonna make me a fucking target.
Element, I'm really
Yeah.
glad
No.
that you're here.
I'm not gonna make you a
Just want
target.
that.
This is like some Iraq type shit. Come on, Shark.
Of course they have a Bastion.
I killed.
I knocked him into you.
How did that kind of work?
What, me knocking him into you guys?
No, I took Shark over
Oh.
there to take their attention. Good job, Shark.
I didn't do anything.
No, you did. We did it.
Not
Oh dear
posting.
god.
Shark, hop on.
Fish dick.
Alright, something needs to die.
Gray. I got trapped.
Well, when you
I
said
guess
that, you
it's
didn't
me.
have to
I
have it
died.
be you.
You know, you probably should have.
Well, you guys were fucking
over.
shooting nothing.
We were too!
The tank was almost dead and she went in the fucking bus stop thing and nobody killed her.
Why didn't you
blame
ping her?
The fucking ping something that's almost dead.
You have to ping things. How am I supposed to know? I can't read your mind.
Today.
Oh dear god.
Uh-oh.
Chris.
Take my pack,
thank
you
you.
slut.
My god.
Yeah, I don't think this is it. I was just
Fuck.
going over here to peek.
How did I die in my spawn? I love that.
That is
It's
some
not the
bullshit.
move, y'all.
Bastion's coming behind.
Trust me, I got all of them when I run in.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Look, there you go. We've done it, y'all.
Good job, Shark.
And we did it without Shark. That's awesome. Let's go.
Oh god, shark.
I love how there's just a little hole. Oh, behind.
Oh no. Uh-oh, y'all.
Those all went for you.
Yeah, they did not like Frost either. We're not happy about him.
They got all three broken.
Oh, no, behind us.
I almost have all.
I must heal. I must heal.
I cannot see you guys. I'm the only one on the point. Just keep that in mind.
I'm gonna go down here. Uh-oh, there's people. There's some up there. Yeah, that's all.
You just hit the fucking hole.
Ouchie.
Dead too.
Yikes, boobs.
Fire bitches in the back.
Yikes, get me out. God, this is such an unfortunate choke. Oh no, I tried to throw the pack, but it couldn't reach you.
You're gone.
Oh god. Oh, I was able to get the healing packs on Shub. I don't know if that's gonna save you though.
Chris, I need healing behind. Thank you. Oh dear God.
Damn it!
How is she still fucking alive? Oh god.
Are you fucking kidding me?
You alive?
What? Like, I'm just getting fucking beamed.
Yeah.
I'm like anything.
Going in.
Bastion's low. Watch it. Frosty needs healing.
Frosty getting a health pack. Shelby getting a health pack. I'm fucking Oprah out here.
You get a health pack. You get a health pack. You get a health pack.
Damn straight.
Underdog.
I thought there would be.
Watch out, he's ult Bastion. Oh fuck. I'm whacking this motherfucker.
She's rising.
Yes! I'm getting better at this character.
Nice.
Could you imagine if that like first part is play the game gray?
No, it's
Taco Bowl.
Is that what they call her? The Taco Bowl.
Every day I get hoping that Clark will compliment me, and every night I go to bed crying.
Every day I
You
wake up-
actually?
No.
I'll compliment you.
You
I'm
don't
gonna
want
post
your
another
compliment.
sad cat meme to Shelby.
God damn it, he did it.
Why do you guys want
66.
compliments from me?
Do you still like me? Sad. Aww.
Do you guys
Why?
want to get
What?
compliments
Why?
from people in your family? Like, why do you guys seek them out from
Do-
who's
what did
going
you
for a
do?
ride?
Me.
Where
Tell
am
me,
I-
you better not shit
Oh,
the bed.
Take me on a
I
journey.
would have done it. Wait, take me instead. Oh. But
I'm not gonna be able to aim. I'm so. You're moving so fast. I hit a headshot on someone though.
Yeah, you get him, Frosty. You show him who the better tank is. I don't even know this bitch's name. What's her name?
Domina?
Oh
Dominion?
yeah, Dommy
Dominican?
Mommy. Dommy? Sorry.
About that.
They're on the roof.
Who wants to go for a ride?
Me!
I just met her.
Oh, sorry. Took an element.
Again?
What the fuck?
Oh, where'd you go?
Wait. I don't know. It just randomly dropped me.
Take me!
Bye, Shelby. Actually, you know what? It's probably
from the
really,
left.
really good on Shelby because she can just drop bombs from the sky. She's like an AC-130. Okay, don't just leave her there.
It was a sacrifice. It was a sacrifice.
Okay, my turn.
Okay. I second the kill the cat now.
What?
Chris, that was so fucking rude. I actually was like doing stuff and then you just left me.
Thanks for coming to save me, Burton.
No, you're
Problem.
not. That
No,
was
I
so
am.
fucked up.
I'll
You know,
here.
I know Element wouldn't do that. That's all I'm saying.
Here, come on, get in.
Nope.
I won't do
don't
it again. I
trust him.
promise. I promise.
Fine.
Why'd I feel like someone's behind us because they are on.
Yeah, I saw someone
me again.
disappear behind us.
I'm leaving you
Ah,
for a second to
God.
heal Shark, and then I'm coming back for you.
I just watched you miss every
Chris?
single shot on Shark.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Wanna throw that up.
Bitch is low. Fuck. Ah!
I left because I didn't trust you.
I'm sorry, Shelby.
Yeah, you show him who the Dommy Mommy is. No, not you. Thank you. It was Chris.
Behind us, Reaper. Or somewhere. Yeah, behind us still.
It's a Reaper.
Chris!
What? Oh, you're dead. Couldn't be helped. They are after me. I need some
Or
backup.
right next to me.
Do you know
Oh
it's
yeah,
so hard
if
to
I
hit,
was there,
man?
I would help you, or I would help you, but you know. No.
Oh, they have a roadhog.
Damn straight they do. You know what I got? I got a gun.
I thought you were gonna say you have a bigger hog.
I have a hog. That's for sure. I also have Blabab.
I have ult.
He's trying to get this flank.
Wait,
But I
Char,
won't
who
let
are
him.
you? Oh,
Moira.
Okay, Roadhog's in there. I'm coming.
Reaper's behind.
Right, real.
Got him. Yeah, he was
Nice.
trying to get
Bob doing shit.
He probably has ult.
Bob. Do something.
Fuck, I'm dead. I got greedy.
I got him for you.
Thank you.
Oh, nobody stayed on the paid low. Cool.
we were on it.
Will you pay for my load?
Reaper's coming down
Reaper's
here.
trying to. Yeah, he's trying to get the ult.
Miss some ball.
Hammer's dead.
He's one shot.
Yeah, he is. He dead?
Do you think he had all?
He might.
Yeah,
These
probably.
guys were everywhere but the point.
Wee!
There's
Want to see some
literally a
fireworks?
Mercy way
Oh.
behind us.
That's good. I took her back with me. I
Mommy
think he
did
was
good.
on the.
Let's go.
Tell
I
that guy to go
just-
fuck himself.
No.
Oh,
I
that's
can't
not. I,
yet.
I was gonna say, I just know what Clarton would say to this guy. Probably like, sorry, don't watch losers.
What's
What is
Flashpoint?
Flashpoint again? Is that like the King of the Hill one?
King of the Hill. Yeah.
Fuck that shit.
What was that one
you
where you have
guys-
to like keep capturing things until you got 5 of them?
Clash. Clash.
Oh my god!
Which, by the way, all the Clash maps were removed in the pool in this update. So there's no more Hanaoka, no more Temple of Anubis. or
Zinger
whatever it's called.
VT?
Throne of Anubis.
Yeah, Zinger underscore
He is a-
VT. I assume the VT was V was a VTuber.
Element, if you want the cat, you can have the cat.
Someday.
I don't know how
I
to
can-
play the
I
cat.
can make
You gotta learn.
can
So what's
promise
the
you he
character
will play it soon. But he will play this.
You guys should
That's
look
like
him
it's
up.
like a fiery Genji.
Y'all can. That shit's not.
Oh, it's
Who?
this map.
Oh, Mappers.
I can pull some.
I got myself Strawberry Fig Newton
Chris.
and Fudge Stripes. What?
I don't unless you have. That's a.
What?
I think it's a pretty big diameter.
How do I play this guy? Throw a spinning blade, then flex and rapidly deals damage.
Here.
I like him.
You guys should watch him when you get a sec.
Are we just gonna be mean to him?
No.
Can we?
No.
We should all join it once. It's on to end his life.
No.
No!
Endgame, endgame,
That is
endgame.
so mean.
Do they have a Sombra?
Guys, how do I play this character?
You don't.
Do damage.
Oh god,
it's
I'm-
Lucio
Who are
with
you?
damage.
Oh.
I just died
Oh,
to Sombra.
yeah.
Yep. you suck.
So you don't die.
What, how am I supposed to stop that with Sombra?
You don't.
Oh, I just died. Sad. So I right click to throw a hat to heal people, and I left click to do damage, and I eat a hinder, and that's it. And I shift to move around.
You're welcome, Chris.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sombra's in the
Oh, I
back.
missed Frosty. I
What you
missed.
doing?
I missed.
All of us.
Fuck.
God damn it.
I'm dead.
Okay, I'm
Fuck!
gonna die.
Nice to see nothing died again.
I
That
fucking
Juno
killed
ball
something.
thing is
Don't even.
stupid.
Listen, I'm trying the new heroes, okay?
It wasn't the best of situations that I got
Yeah,
Sombra
your
at
healing
the
is
gate.
literally your hat. That's the hard
Yeah.
part about that person.
You do get 2 hats though.
Yeah.
You have to
And then I'm pretty sure there is a perk.
do damage and you do a lot of healing.
Yeah, you
I'd
said
like to-
that.
You do.
And it does balance, so it's not just like you.
Oh, I'm trying to heal people.
Simply try harder. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm trying.
Just kidding.
Oh, look, the tank died.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yippee.
Oh, shit. You can get headshots at this bitch.
Did you guys know I ate a full-size carton of family-size fudge stripes this week
Yes, I did.
in one day?
Oh, yes, I did. Wanna know why?
fucking
Because you
fat
sent
fuck.
it to me. Nope. That's not true.
So is my E like the chain? Is that like a hook that just hinders people?
It tethers
Yeah.
them so they can't move.
Yeah, it's pretty ginchy.
Yeah.
Soldier's trying to get the flank.
The Sombra's already on my ass. I missed my little hook thingy.
Yeah.
Should I use my thingamajiggy?
You're all?
Yeah, I'm just use it. I don't know how it works.
Nice.
Nice joke.
Bitch! Okay.
I picked the perk that makes my remedy aura go up faster. I'm not really sure which.
That's what I did.
Oh, if you would your shift, you heal people when you do your movement ability.
Oh, really?
So the more damage you do, the more it's gonna give you passive healing.
They're popping everything.
Yeah, but it's okay because soldier
I
died.
popped everything.
All I care is I trapped the soldier.
I think I wasted my ult.
I died Frosty, I got ulted.
I'll have to find a better way to engage.
They're not even on a robot.
They use like everything.
God, Sombra
Yeah,
again?
pretty
Oh my
much.
god. I hindered her.
Good hither!
Come hither.
Oh my god. Okay, soldier.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck just
but
happened.
We're dead. Every time I die,
Well,
I'm
that's
getting
a whole
infected.
reset.
Yeah, that's unfortunate. Very unlucky.
They won't quit. Neither will I.
Oh, yeah. I am very far away from you, Frosty. I'm running around. Throwing a hat. Hat throw. Oh, fuck.
Tank's almost dead.
Time for a change.
Enemy team is pushing forward. Enemy forward.
God damn it. I killed 2 of them, but
Had a hat for you. Unlucky. Uh-oh. This big ass shield is in the way. Can you guys shoot through my shield that I put up?
Through yours? I don't know.
I don't see what you would be able to.
I would
Soldier's
think so too,
behind.
but- oh no. Ow. I nearly got dunked on. Oh god. I don't have anywhere to run. Everyone's everywhere.
Gray, how are you not dead? Never mind. Never mind. I take that back.
Wait for.
someone's trapped. Fuck you, bitch. Sombra's dead, and I need some.
Where you at?
Right when I was about to ult. I got soldier, but
Yeah, but fair.
good shit, shot.
The irony being, I cannot shoot what's in front of me to save my life.
Putting this in. Blocking soldiers bullshit.
Good shit.
Oh god, he's still shooting from behind though. And I'm dead. Farah was just going nuts on me.
Fuck. Oh my god, Frosty's literally in need of health.
Oh god. I'm so fucking scared.
Solo ult to me? Are you fucking kidding me?
Well, I mean, there's only one of us, right?
Horrible. I hate it so much. I don't any more healing really.
Push up.
Oh, push up. We're pushing up.
I run so fucking far.
Oh
bro.
no! You guys got hit by an explosion.
God damn it.
It didn't even look like anyone,
No.
any one of them was like on the point either.